everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I?
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location in which you are. This is another edition of Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. Oniadofoɔ, ahwɛfoɔ, etiefoɔ, mema obi biara akɔ aba. Ɛba edwumadi a efiada biara yɛde ba ma akwan a yɛato ne din sɛ Legal Hour. Ɛno nso adom no nti yɛasan aba. Mɛsrɛ anidie mu onya abɛto yɛn pɛ na wo nso woatene wo nsa de ama ɔdɔfoɔ bi, obi foforɔ, wo nyɔnko bi, wo maame bi, wo papa bi, na ɔno nso anya saa edwumadie yi na ɔno nso nhwɛ na ɛbɛboa. Megye di sɛ mobɛtwɛn na moatie. Ɛnɛ topic a yɛde brɛ mo no, mobɛtie na moato ho anammɔn. Ɛyɛ asɛmdɛdɛ a ɛyɛ hwam. Na megye di sɛ yɛnwie no na woanya wo kyɛfa wɔ mu. Metwa me ho sisia aba, me din ane Manyeti. Meba sisia.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Official poll. Question number 1. Law firm Bay and the one Anna House on top of the Seven Sisters Tube Station, exit number 2. BWF Solicitors. Correct. It is that time of the year again. BWF Solicitors, our trusted community law firm at the Christmas quiz competition. We have gone through 2022 together. We have celebrated 30 years of our senior partners on broken service to the community. And do so, someone so will be winning the prizes from Young Annual Quiz Competition. Listen, every 1st December, Ecosi 23rd December 2022, following on all our social media platforms, on BW Radio, BWTV, any Rainbow Radio show, and some very simple and interesting questions. And you will stand a chance of winning a massive prize. First prize, 2-week stay in Ghana, flight and accommodation covered. Second prize, £500 cash. Third prize, £200 cash, plus many other consolation prizes. Official BWF Solicitors. For legal matters, but you be handle no pepe at the amount. You 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP 4th floor, of the Anna House. Freying was 0208 493 7340 or emergency number 077 127 61884. With over 30 years of service to the community, we are your trusted community lawyers. Yamawa Fisher Poe. Merry Christmas.
Nuadɔfoɔ mɛsan ama mo akɔ aba biom ɛba adwumadie yi so. Ɛna ɛyɛ me de yie ɛsiane sɛ ɛtɔ de bi a yɛhwehwɛ topic anaasɛ yɛpɛnsɛmpɛnsɛn mu na yɛahwɛ ade pɔtee a ɛhia yɛn at the moment na yɛde aba sɛ yɛndi ho akotene anaasɛ yɛnkeka ho yɛmpɛ ho education a na yɛnya topic bi se a na metirim ayɛ me dɛdɛɛdɛ. Saa nso na megye de sɛ woho topic ɛnɛ yɛde ba no a ɛbɛyɛ w'ani gye. Ɛsiane sɛ ɛtɔ de bi a na yɛnsɔre friti pɛko pɛ na yɛnka sɛ yɛnkɔka wei daabi o. Na mmom yɛhwɛ nkurɔfo dodoɔ adadwen ɔmo nsɛm a ɛhia ɔmo ho ahɛhia na yɛaka sɛ daabi yɛhwɛ a wobɛsi trending problems anaa trending issues anaa trending questionings no na yɛde aba sɛ ɛnea yɛmbɛyɛ ho education na ɛbɛboa dodoɔ no nti ɛna nso yɛakɔfa aba na mmom ansa na mede yɛn topic no bɛba no moma menka asɛm dɛdɛde bi nkyerɛ wɔ aha yɛ BWF Solicitors for legal hours so ne ɛwɔ no na media mu nim dada manyɛ tii ebi ani baabia na ne ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ asɛm dɛdɛde ne sɛ yɛba no BWF Solicitors a yɛn nyinaa yɛnim sɛ ɔmo yɛ lawyer papapaa a ɛwɔ UK abɔnten ha na nyɛ ha nso ɔmo da so nso ɔmo wɔ Ghana nso na sɛ ba no immigration yɛ area bi a ɛyɛ anaa yɛn kuromufoɔ no ɛha yɛn yi ɛnyɛ yɛn kurom pɛ obi bɛsi West Africans anaasɛ African in particular no ɛha yɛn immigration sɛ ɛha yɛn papapapa ɛnyɛ no nkwa o yɛba no family law ɛne ɛka family law mo a mo nim ɛno nso no ɛyɛ asɛm a ɛhia yɛn ankasa na saa adeɛ pɔtee mmienu yi sɛ yɛkɔ BWF Solicitors ɔmo aso ɛyɛ a kurom ha aban kurom ha baabia yɛfrɛ home office yɛka home office anaa woyɛ mo agye wo hwemu yi ɔmo ankasa agye ato mu sɛ ɛba no family law ɛne immigration di a yɛbɔ edin bi te sɛ BWF Solicitors a ɛne ɔmo yɛ number 1 home office koraa soro ɔmo letterhead ɔmo ho yɛ a na ɔmo ho popo sasasasasa wɔ sɛ ɔmo de adekode no ɛma ɔmo ɛno nti na medi ho adanse akyerɛ wo sɛ woba na wobɛtie yɛn program no a wo nko a ɛnkyɛ mfa ɛmbia na wonua bi wɔ problem bi wɔ saa area ha fa kɔma no na ɔmfa n'asɛm ɛmbɛdeɛ BWF Solicitors foɔ na ɔmo ndi saa adwuma no ɛma no ɛnti menkyɛ na moahu nso sɛ ɛnyɛ hɔ nko a moahu nso sɛ yɛka no mitigation ne litigations a ɛno nso ɔmo yɛ ade papapapa anaa mpo sɛ yɛn kurom Ghana law sesi a agye baabia ɛno nso asɛm bi ehia wɔ yɛn kurom a ɔde abra frɛ kɛkɛ twa obi si twa me call kɛkɛ na ɔmo ne obedi nkita ho na asɛm bi ehia wɔ no ɔmbɛboa wo na wedi saa asɛm no yie yo Christmas yi akyɛde a ɔmo pɛ anaasɛ ɔdɔ a ɔmo wɔ ɛma community ne nti no BWF Solicitors sɛ ɔyɛ quiz no mehwɛ questions ne koraa ɛnyɛ question bia obi bɛseɛ enka obetumi aka sɛ o saa akyɛde me de kyɛ free na mmom ɛsan sɛ nipa dodoɔ na tie BWF Solicitors nti ɔntumi nka sɛ wo bra bɛgye ɔsɛ ɔhwɛ sɛ ampara program a ɔmo dedicate ɔmo ho ɔmo de ɔmo mmerɛ ato hɔ a bia Thursday, Friday ni Saturday omo de beto abonten no ompe so mo hu se wo a wo hwe no boa wo a wo hwe no onya ho nimde wo a wo hwe no ampa nsem omoka ofa na enu nti na omo si omo ye sa quiz no no omo fa nso wa adwen keke no mo hu se sa nimde na omo bechiche no enye kwa na dodo na enya ho mfaso enti eno ase obefre quiz ufre a na ebisa nsemfo akakra under 1 minute 1 minute ne so ya na chese ya stop na ya hwe answers a utumi twa ne nyina correct questions a utumi twa answers ne nyina correct no onya dodo under 1 minute na di udin ato ho yesi 2010 de be ye draw saa udin na ye de ato de ye de koto adakam dodo na etwa bebre na ye de koto adakam ne ya chinchin ye yensa hye ne yi baako ne akase wuni winner na saa ne paako no onim yesi ye ma wa kyede 2 weeks holiday e wo Ghana, a very beautiful 5-star hotel. Ukotwa wenum akoda keke na wa san aba. Ompe we na ompe den. Na second prize no so ye chow £500. Hey, BWF Solicitors mu ye bi. £500. £500. Trust me. Udi kotna shad mo ye family of 10 kra mo betwa mo enum kama so hu ade no na enye no nkwa o sanso aka say ni pako be di third no so o che 200 cedis £200 free £200 free oni adolfo o twende ene mema wapo nti bra frɛ ne mbisa o questions no na wo nso twa why na we be se unya prize na aka ma nyeti kakra embia na we nya first prize na o de mi ahye wo pocket mo na ye nyina ye ko Ghana na se second prize no unya 500 na o se ma nyeti o de be gi £5 me ni be sododo and as a second prize when a third prize when you 200 no kaso ma nyeti o de me chow £2 me ni be sododo enti bomode announce frɛ na baso BWF Solicitors omo homa community no every Thursday bia ye call Rainbow Radio so ekoma education ni wo ho saa nso na edu Friday enen so say no na ye dedication ni saa na ye de brem na mo so ma frefre na dwumade mo questions am wo na ya answer mom na edu Saturday nso a ye wo the community and the law your community and the law na sem dede bi nso a eda ho ne se upe se wotro English I say ukoji indefinite I say control English B1 say o ye nurse ni anase upe se obeye care work ewo krom ha ye say control IELTS no kra no ni dia de English na ye say sa san control ansa na ya jiwatum enti KT education consult for say enko baabia omo de nyame adom omo tutors no omo baako ono ani sa British Council and I say we be say Trinity College for oni omo di nkita ho every day enti omo nim nsem a omo be bisa wo kotena ho a onim nsem obe bisa from A to Z nyina nti no say wo de bra onim ne de na bra ono abetetew obekeka hye wano upekra obe chimwano no de ahyem enti wo kotena ho a ne no bie wano na no na esen ye wi ese wa pass call KT consult form it was 075 966 20154 ometrew omo be go through step by step na se ne be ya wokọ a na wote ho a ye bisa wasem bia obehu na waka ana obeka impo na waka call KT consult for ombeboa English ne de nyame adom omo ya de pa omo student nyina ebedi ho adanse obia emform nsem a waba se mentwew ene nkedwuma ne omo eja ye dadaada nanso no adom ne nti no omo form nsem nyina enyu omo ho fa ho de enti won so bra na ketifo beboa yenko yenim mesra mo quiz no enhihye kakra wo ho enti meka quiz no ho asem kakra enhihye ne se oba so a wo 1 minute pe ode be answer as many questions as you can as much as you can answer no enti oba so a eya se o ye bisa o question bi na se o answer no refia mesra don't waste time na unka because o waste time na na o time na ekọ whereas mbia ye bisa o next question na obetumi atwa enti oba so na o time na start pe answer question no yebisa na wontumi aka say pass na yembisa on next one wontumi aka say pass enti wobenya more questions to answer why and afen so no yesi oba so ene na obeya ene no wontumi nsa emba so biom ti se mbia another time and also ochina yeah answer enti no saa na tie se na obenya obema obi another chance na no nso entumi embeka and also ombeye quiz na bi se oba ofre na you don't want to participate in the quiz now, it's not a problem. You can just say maybe you were just calling for your question to be answered. Say open participate quiz so no ama maswati and so no mema wa participate na ayefefe na etumi edi time ne so ye nimre na ye pese ye nya winners ne ntem na ye ne omo ento draw ne so ntino eno ne ye nsemfo a ohwehwe BWF Solicitors kira kwan a enya yira kwan kra me nua ba Sandra Fraser or the can say nhihye ana say address ne nyina to so eye fourth floor Anna house fourth floor Anna house. Now fourth floor Anna house na him fa kra. And ye kan 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road ne so. Na me de ma no kyerɛkyerɛ wa na kyerɛ sɛ ufa underground Victoria line na udu Seven Sisters a no wesi. Usi free tube ni mo a mpie mfiri baabi a hwehwɛ the exit number 2 no upie ye na obɛhu baako wɔ w'anifa wo nsa nifa baako wɔ nsa benkum ne mienu nyina opie kra na abansoro bi esi w'anim hɔ na saa abansoro no so pɛpɛpɛpɛpɛ ɛhɔ ɛna fourth floor Anna house ɛno ɛwɔ enti enye yira kwan sɛ womfa buses bebree ɛnenam saa Seven Sisters enim hɔ no enti ɛno nso enye yira kwan kra ofi London Bridge afa 149 a ebesi hɔ so many buses ɛnɛ wɔ hɔ no enti no wobetumi na sɛ wo drive nso a na opese odi car na eba ene Tesco na eben Tesco kese bi wo ho you have 90 minutes to park free so 90 minutes we book your appointment nkwa na odu ho a they will finish your case with you before saa 90 minutes no akofa wo car bra wonya ticket bia na ne wo mu nso se dodo na enra na obi ni mi di nkomo osi o omo de omo wo Manchester ba akokra so Wales na obeye den na obe ontumi mba o akwala keto a ontumi mba office ho na ombeka na mi si maame ene wontantie me hwe BWF Solicitors omo ankasa upe kra ombeba ho in what sense and they say you have a phone, you have a computer, you will be the Zoom call, you will be the Skype call, or better me from video call. Na say washe nim no kasa pepe just ask obeba office ho na only your maba betna or mo to me a consultation ewo phone so phone obefro na oni udi nkomo pepepe obeka wasem nyina akyere no se ba ne se or se odi document come mo a ehun hia se fa bus fa train fa tube na fa brom there be kwan ehihye bebre wo ho a you can also send your documents to them enti ma me papa a wotie me menka se wo fie kwan wa baby a wote de ni London enti untumi reach to BWF Solicitors o de ope kra na me betwa to kra ya Christmas bonus ama ope kra na frɛ me manyeti me fa play no ana train aba wo fie abeju document ni nyina na me de abre BWF Solicitors want no only how only excuse bia why they have a telephone consultation, they have video consultation, they can do it in any way ope na wait to me ni omwedi nkita afen so no BWF Solicitors education mo de ba every week mo de ba nso no ama ene dodo na yadane pocket lawyers we were see bebre yadane lawyers e wo mu fie adenti na me kasa wait to me 8 BWF Solicitors for how many years ni almost started media education ache into what follow mo one kasa wait to me fill with forms what ko online what download do you see MM1 MM2 XYW say wait to me fill all the forms that you are required to use for your home office application one kasa wait to me aye enam nimdia wenya wo platforms yi so ntino why ye ni nyina ewie wo arehihye just say you have that confidence why ye bibia pepepe BWF Solicitors or more services bi wo ho a wankasa watumi etu anamo aye bibia no embia na wo feel say o ade kitikiti bi wo ho a enkoyi ana say you are not sure say why you the right thing ana BWF Solicitors say wo de wawie ne nyina no kra no from na fa bro mo ka say BWF Solicitors say mesrɛ mo miankasa maye me bibia na mo mempɛ sɛ ɛbɛkɔ ne abounce me sɛ meja we ne nti mo a mo hwɛ mo ma me mo de mo hwɛ mo mfa mo ani gade hwɛ mo ma me na mo nka nkyerɛ me sɛ bibia enibu na me a me post ma ade enko eno nso on betumi aye ama me nua BWF Solicitors they are there for the community nti ada na wote ho na wo nsɛm nyina hyɛ wotiri mu bra na behu omo na on bɛboa kwan bia so on bɛboa why nti no when it comes to BWF Solicitors I recommend them for you. Yo, yen share yen platforms ne so na dodo na abaso no. Yen share na ye resource person. Ya ye dear ye papa baako pe o ketchi ma. Ọma hene kra ebao. Eche se na no ati na o kyerɛkyerɛ wɔ asɛm mu nso a wonte kasa ne kra wotumi ti ase adekode a ɔpa akyerɛ. Hwan na meka na asɛm. Yan lawyer baako, lawyer Patrick. Lawyer Patrick, I salute you. Good morning to you. Lawyer Patrick, good morning.
Okay, Manye, very good morning. Pacho Apoma.
Adom nkwa ne ahwe mpacho me hoye. Se ho so bɔkɔ deɛ.
Pacho Nyamiadum Yahoya pa Afisia Pasoso.
Official pa afin convert. We the memo akwenya nafa extend the greetings to the viewers and the listeners before we delve into our topic today.
Great. Okay, so good morning. Babia Oti Fribia, good afternoon, good evening. So Homachina because of our disunion, what sorry say only a bisuya dear so no so yichiao kese pa ma o afisia pa afisa bra na nyina yete ase wonkwam ahoɔden mu a sika so aba more na crisis ya yehu eto atwa ama obia ho atimi ahenhan no yɛda mo nyina mo ase mo a mo wɔ so sabre ne mo a afi na mo be join ye no yɛda mo nyina mo ase sɛ magyebrɛ na mo sinkonya ene yebesua de ena no pay. I hope sɛ by the end of your lesson we no ye nyina yebenya bibia free mu a yɛde bɛbɔ yɛn nsa no na yɛkɔ yɛ fiefie mu a yɛtumi de atu yɛn ho fo nti frɛ obi na ɔno so frɛ obi share na obi so ensanka bi ɛne ne boa ma yɛadesua no emutumi trɛ sɛ de bɛyɛ a ye nyina yebetumi enya ho mfasoɔ nti wo nko a memfa nhyɛ wo ho nko a memfa nhyɛ wo ho ocha na obi susu enya bi na obi susu atumi enya nimde bi a na de ye bekan emfa no ho but na bi a efa ne nua bi ho ebi a wo a wuti emfa wo ho but efa wo nua bi ho efa wadamfo bi ho nti ebetumi aboa ne nyina ne sɛ obe share na watie bi na obetumi ama afoforo so atumi ate yenka me jam wo ha na ma pass it back to Manye but bear in mind say ene so ye wo Lady Deborah ewa ha ye wie bibia obesam na up ewo brofo mu ede amayen nti mo hye ne so ye wie susu a se mo amonim o chaade nana ene susu ye be chaade ane nti mo hye ne so se ene susu ye be chaade ade che no emu ehwam nti fa ho hyem mene wa nka me prese menya first price no ho no na inki no wo no nti hye no so na fa ho hye eye quiz no ne addition ni nyina mu Manye.
Yo, like Patrick with that say. Child nana, someone winning BWF Solicitors, no size. Share. Etie for na hwefo yenko edwumade ne so yense mre kra na mendi kan fa encha kese madodo na maba platforms ne so nyina mesrɛ mo ene de makasa kakra nti no se mambo udin a enkweri me mesrɛ we ni die mo nana bob ye je wo so na ose Patrick owore abrochire abrochire de yense bi wo ha ye de sha de mesrɛ mo Kevin Asamoah, good morning Manyen lawyer Patrick, please help me extend my gratitude to my big brother, lawyer Sir Charles Asma. Oh, obete dodo. Netre say, abanisa na lawyer Charles aye bibia ma bibia ye ho so hu ade no ntebe ko so ntem to min skip kakra mesrem me bebo Michael Kwabena Saponsi, please, I can invite, I see, can I invite, okay, question, maybe someone as after the you can say education why na najima koswa ye we dwuma medinchi akese ema mo nyina wo platforms no so ye be koso producer mpachofa me head na topic enefa to me feed ne so ma me na mentimi embo hu aksem kakra ene se ene ye kwa kofa ba se ne amedi kan ka kire mo no ye mfiti preko pe ensore nka se o ya na ye boye timi aka se ene de enko kan we da bi o na enam se ye ni nimpa da se ni anase ye de community ni na di nkita ho ne nti no we hear and we listen to the community Niama koso we see trending issues are and raising and even calling the lawyers and then be asking certain questions and no na etumi my hu say ade we hang crofo sisi apa nti embeka ho asem nti ene no yetumi etumi akofa ba akwa na yen question ni say ubetumi akofa o members na mrebi yesi Brexit ne ade ye nyina nim say Brexit no abesini akona ye de nhihye kakra etoto ho na ye mamu we besi ye mamu grace period na ye mfa ntutu ye nyoma yi nanso no still ebi mu anti enyom fort obi kura mpo na oyare nti ne yakoso nyina na onim obi kura mpo na onim ne ekọ enyom fort na ye bisa se sa nyoma nyina besini akwa no still me webusia wo Ghana me webusia wo Europe abonten so me webusia nkra wo ha me nso ma bedika betna ha se ne etie no metumi ken ama mebusiafo still omo abeka mensa na nti we na ya frɛ lawyer Patrick na yentumi ene no ende hu kita until the main topic itself no so bisa say can I still apply for my family members to join me in the UK under the EU law instead of the UK law if I'm now a British and a EU passport holder sa ohono we were see obi se confusion kakra wo na nso enye confusion lawyer Patrick be cheche mu ama we hu wo a wa betna asese a wenya indefinite unya indefinite in dia na je say only British ya nyankofa na maye no na nso da so kita wo EU passport enti wo bisa say me ya application a me ko EU ana me ko UK which is which and no asem and e ba be kan tell Patrick mesa atunsa afra obiom na me to sa question kase emma na fe break it down for us na yenya entiase na yentumi entu anamo tell Patrick bacho wadaroma.
Okay, great, Manye. Thank you very much. Very, very good summary of exactly what we're about to do this morning. Because I have a very, very tricky question. And we're going to try and break it down. Sedebaya mubetimi atiasie. Na wehu ujinabia se uwo sa position we more. Now, say yen nyina ye bekaye a UK yen nyina near to about 2016 and a June ye adwin say EU eye Europe amansan nkabom ku a ye de ye ho ekodom ye willingly no sisi ade ye mpese ye no mo ebehwe abomu bio nti ye to aba edi yi ye ho edi free mu. Now, senior EU law no ne etie no. Ubia na oye member no. Se ye ka emremu nsem a na EU de no eteki eye supremacy over wo mra no. Nti se toda na o domestic law anase emra ye de ye adwuma wo krom no. Se bibiba na emu enkyerkyeremu no enkosiasie nsipia na esese ye bopinchen ye EU for na omutimi ekyerkyere ase eche ye kwan a esese ye faso obi be kan say bia abrewa otifie na bibi ekyere ya dwen so na yakọ nchen ekobisa nemu enkyeremu no amayen akwankyere saa na EU mra no eti na ebedu baabi no na UK for ye fi se ya kamia koyese EU mra no ya kan ye mra no ahye amade enim se ye krom ha parliament ka bibia ye jitum prekope ema ne sipi no na eya kate no so ti na esese ye pe kwan bi so na ye yi ye ho free saa nhihye na se de be ya ya nkasa ye betumi ahihye ye mra edi ya nkasa ye so wabra se bibi ba ye nko bisa obi ansana ye make decision so when ye niema inform ye decision to get out of the European Union enye no nko a eniema bebre eka ho now at the moment semene wo ka say EU mrane bebre wo ho a your friend retained EU law no eda so eteki supremacy however mene wo kasa sisi you know the bill called parliament since 22nd of September 2022 year sebeya EU mrana akano de ye retaining na eteki supremacy no eno so ye beyen hihye na come 2023 no ye beyi eno so afri ho na afi no emrana eye EU mra ye retain ye into ye law no yen ye befa ne prekope na ya ye diso ne yi sa supremacy na EU mra no ewo ye so no afri ho prekope na afri ho kra ye free EU num no aban eye nhihye ema o kire se ubia oye EU ni we free wukrom watu bata aba UK abetena ha se o bobra no se ye free EU num a emra na ebo wo ho ban saa time no ebe koso aba wo ho ban omo so a omo ye UK adehia na omo tubata every UK edi eye dwumason bi ewa amanone no soso no omo nyina soso emra no ebe ba wo ho ban ti se opese wo tena ho a obetimi atena ho de na esese wo ya na se UK aban ya hihye e de appendix EU by e de kire se obi a wo ye EU ni ana EU ni ebusuani a uti krom ha no esese wo de wo ho hye saa scheme na se sebe ya ye betumi age watum prekope se uyo obi a uti krom ha wo bobra na ehia se wo kire se wo ye adwuma de na ehia se wo be kire se ampa se uti krom ha enti time a ye free mu a kopem se 31st of December 2020 saa breni nyina no ubetimi a kire se na wo ha na wo abusuafo so a omoso no mo ha saa time na omo nyina betimi aye application under the scheme no na yetimi age wo matum e de ahye UK emra na se nti saa na enhihye no etie now se ye hwe yen asem a ye ka ho asem sisi yi a yenim se amaman ahodo bebre wo ho a omo gi dual citizenship etum te se oman Ghana ye gi dual citizenship etum nti utimi kuta o Ghana passport ubedi nakakra wa ha na nyame ye wadom na oso se ubegi kroma passport na wa wo free upem na wo gia eno soso no aban ensi hu kwan UK aban soso ensi hu kwan sana Europe soso aman no bi etie nti EU aman ni bi wo ho a wo soso ema ho kwan ema wo madehye no etumi efa oman foforo so citizenship de ka de wo mo no ho enye wo nyina it is a makwan dia na onti ukrom ho na emom watu bata ko bi kro so na wo bobra wo ho na wafa saa kro no emu krata anase emu passport e de aka wo de no ho a se eba se wo be ye application e de ama yemfa ne se wo ho kani oba then EU mra any UK de no emu de hi na yemfa nya adwuma very confusing now back in 2016-17 yenya case bia na ye frɛ no to fake Eunice na UK case ye de call European Union court kɛseɛ mu ekɔgye emu enkyerɛkyerɛmu de na case no etieni ye maami na oye Spanish ni watu kwan every Spain ababet na UK emfie bebre wabɔ ne bra Saa time ana 2016 regulation no wo no nyina no. No ote ha oisasi treaty right. Nti oye adwuma oye ne bibia kama. Nti ode tena mu a ene bredu se esese onya British citizenship. Ena oye se obeje. Esan se Spain for allow se obetimi aye dual nationality no na enye problem ma no. Nti oje British passport no e de kan ne Spanish passport no e ma onya passport no mienu a na odi to kroma. Nti owo kroma no onya ye papa ya ye frɛ no to fake Eunice. E na oni ne chance se omo bobra. Ye papa no ye application on the basis say oni ne hokani o matena krom ha. Nti no esese ye ma no asetena ewo krom ha. Saa time de ne frɛ no ye residence card no. The UK aban eye ne se omo refuse ye papa no application no. E ma ne koya akodi eye court kese mu ewo EU sene na meka no. Ekope emu nkyerɛkyerɛmu se aso obi a wabetena ye krom as a host nation of free EU na waba na wabedi emra no so nhyehyɛ sene tie pepepe na afei no wabefa ye krom ha passport no se kuta EU de no se oware obi anase oni obi nya saa anyonkofa na nipa no pese ogina no so etena ye krom ha EU de no ene UK de no emu de hin na esese ye de ye adwuma enchechemu no se ne ekosi pia ne se obi tu bata free ni krom na oba wuwu krom se ne EU mra no se ne na atie no ahyehye no na odi su pepepe be ye adwuma na qualify na eche no obefa eye wuwu krom asesena de to no ho so a eno no enyini emfiri mu se odaso ye EU ni odaso ye EU ni esanse ekura ofiri so wo Europe no eje saa ade no tum nti odaso ye EU ni nti obetimi agina no so nti se ye kasa ye refuse ye papa ya na kire se emara pon a ebo ye ho bra ewo EU a ye nyina na ye de yensa ahya ase no na ekwan bi so no ye atoto nase because yenim say under the treaty of the function of the European Union article 21 no ema kwan ema EU citizen bia no utumi tubata efri wo krom esan kɔ omanfoforo so a oka EU ebusuakuo no ho ekɔbɔ bra wɔ ho a ensi wo ho kwan na eno so ma wo ho kwan ema wabusuafo a wo mu ni hɔ a wo ni oma formal relationship saa time no omo susu betimi afa saa mra no so e de atena krom ho nti na kyerɛ se ye hwemu na ya ama ye papa Eunice kwan ama one ye maame antena saa ekrom ho dia na ye toto emra na se nti court no ye se no esese ye ma ye papa no akwanya even si ama no residence card ye ma no bibia eye derived right se because se ne ye ne ho kani atena ye krom ha na wafa saa ekwan a esese ofa so ni nyina so na waye adwuma se ne esese oye ni nyina nti no esese ye ma no saa kwanya no na otimi ne yere etena ha sene ye hu no pepepe ewo eye Zambrano case ni mu a ene yeguso etwe ho dare ewo eye court with home office no nti saa pepepe na ye hu no now fast forward no ye hu se ye free EU no mo ama ya ye withdrawal agreement no ye nhyehyɛ a ye free EU no mo no UK aban aye ekuchiri EU mra no e de ahye ono ankasa ne mra mu se be ya ebebo ye ho bra nti ye no e na ewom saa withdrawal agreement no eno so ebo EU fo a omatu bata abetena kuma ho ban saa susu na ebo UK fo a omatu bata akọ eye EU amaman ahodo no so bobra no so ho ban ene wo a wo nte faako na emom omudi akoniaba ye adwumason bi ewo eye EU nkru no baako so a ye from frontier workers nti saa mra no eba wonu mu nyina ho ban na ekyerɛkyerɛ mu hwan ena ye citizen ene nia esese ye ginu tum se oye family member It is Article 13 of your withdrawal agreement na mu nipa oye EU ni ene ekwan a ebefa so a obetimi atena krom ha. Article 9 no yen definitions saa fo ni nyina. Inti saa we no ene boy ho bra. Na skillfully the UK aban aye ne se odi we no to nchen a eno no ma ye ho kwan e protecting in right as EU fo a yetu bata betena obi man so no uyi eno no to nchen a UK fo wo eye annex a eye definitions of eniema a ehihye ye mranum sa annex 1 no it define obi a oye EU ni obi a oye EU family member obi a oye relevant EU national any sa niema ni nyina. So we have definition of EU citizen na seni oma couch ne ewo eye definitions ni mu no de oma ye ne said explicitly no oma exclude obi a owo eye EU passport na osan so wo eye British passport. That is what they've done in the definitions. Inti se eno na ode ebu nkonta, then you would say se uwo EU passport as European national na uwo British passport se obi a wa naturalize na wabefa sa citizenship no ede ato ho so a se uye application on the basis say okofa ohukani ediaba, then they are looking say ube yusu eye or British nationality. No. For me, that is wrong. It is wrong because say oshe eye withdrawal agreement explainer 2 na eye paragraph 11. No, and also so echere womo a omo ye EU for oma betena krum ha oma fa citizenship fufro edi ato omo so, for instance UK aban citizenship edi ato omo so no eno so cheche ekwan a esese omo fa so a omo betimi edi omo kani abeka omo. And that position no is very clear, sir, because all right as EU national are protected in the withdrawal agreement. No, the position for me is that you should be able to rely on your EU right, to ask your family member to join you, irrespective of, say, a British passport, and irrespective of, sir, definition, the way or my couching in the way a bit confused, say, sir. I know, sir, there were people before you do position you're doing. Now, one more ahokafo ewo British passport. Emma omo ye applications based on EU law because no mo ye Europeans as well. Ebinom wo ho a ya ma omo family permits ama omo bedu krom ha. Now, when you come to do or residence card na and I say EU settlement scheme na, then they pull up the British passport card and flag it and say, hello, enye EU emra no necessary odi ye adwuma na emom necessary odi UK mra ene ye adwuma. I think it is questionable, it is wrong because your withdrawal agreement no the ECA it protected the rights of European Union nationals and womo family members. Inti sa ukofa omanfoforo so citizenship at the tone ho so a EU law right does not extinguish. And free honum, that's so honum. You should be able to rely on that to make an application for a year wabusian for or more eba betina kroma. Bear in mind, say, the year can enye EU for one more emfa a year UK a buying citizenship encan one more dear no, and your more sem now year can. Those class of people no still no. Say ohukani no o ware no and answer o form our relationship no before the 31st of December 2020 a nyina ye nim say still no ubetimi de saa ohukani no aba UK still ubetimi de saa ohukani no ne ma aka ho aba UK ubetimi de o maame aba wobɛtumi de wo papa aba, wobɛtumi de wankasa wo ma aba, wobɛtumi de wo nananom aba, na wobɛtumi de wo nana aba. Saafoɔ no nyinaa no ɛbɛtumi aba. Ɛnyɛ problem. Deɛ yɛka ɛnɛ ho asɛm yi ɛyɛ wɔn a apart from say ɔwɔ Spanish passport no waba bɛfa ɛyɛ UK citizenship ɛde aka ho. Ɛno ɛna yɛhwɛ sɛ aso saa mmara mmienu yi ɛkɔbɔ mpo ne mpo a ɛhe ɛna ɛsɛ sɛ yɛfa. Ɛnɛ yi yɛni ɛyɛ EU amansan kabɔnkuo no mu a yɛbɛka sɛ yɛrekɔgye nkyerɛkyerɛmu afiri wɔn hɔ biem. But yɛnim sɛ the case of Eunice to fake ɛsɛte saa president no ɛde to hɔ maa yɛn. The only thing they've done is that they have cleverly in the interpretation any definitions na ɛwɔ annex 1 no wɔn akuchi no in a certain way. However, withdrawal agreement no wɔ hɔ. The explainer too no so ɛwɔ hɔ no ma ne nyinaa no ɛma yɛnya ntiaseɛ sɛ yes indeed wobɛtumi a rely on EU law no na odi make it application no. And then this is very analytical because say unni saa we na Mr. Omen kotena fie na nye wankasa. Deɛ yɛka ɛde kyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma mu. We're not tailoring what we are saying no to wo personal and answer we individual circumstance there be. Ɛyɛ adesua ne adekyerɛ ɛna yɛyɛ. Sɛ ufi sɛ wo saa position no mu na enkyerɛkyerɛ yi nti wo kotena fie na wayɛ bibi a be very careful. My advice is say who expert na ontie wasem na onhu kwan a obefa so a obetimi ayusu emra no na oni home office atwe ede amount na mpo se koba se ebia why your application na your refuse so on the basis say onhu kani na wo beka no ho no or you both EU national and UK national entino wo mo ankasa e decide say instead say ye be use EU mra no de aye adwuma no ye de UK mra no be ye adwuma no na watumi akyerɛkyerɛ mu e de akyerɛ home office for na mpo say kodu court a yetumi agina mra pon an nkasa so na ye ne omo atwe manye things that time no ekɔ kakra enti ye begyae de asiha na if there are any questions we'll take them on.
Yo, oh, Lawyer Patrick. Wow, me ni agye. Me da se senior wakyekye mu no obi bɛka ɛno ano kyea me onim kasa ɛno ano no wakyerɛ adeɛ no ase ama na da hɔ pɛpɛpɛpɛpɛpɛ na obi kura bisa sɛ hey, are you the law? Yes. Mmara no ɔte aseɛ edi mmara no ɛda mmara no mu nti no when it comes to what he's talking about no we be say okata ne ni wadakra na obo ne say kra obeka ne nyina akyerɛw. Sir, these are the people we are dealing with here. Our expert ankasa ewo ne omo ye ho. BWF Solicitors yedamasi. Lawyer Patrick, what can ne nyina na last one na o kaza na just say obi etu saa na mo na me hu say omo the case law lawyers mo use case law na mo de aye mo so application say ne be ya omo nka se debi we de ye enye ma omo edi kan ya ma obi de na kire se o so omo to aso saa edekọ na me question ba kwa na me eba me tirim o ka say saa omo withdrawal agreement na omo ye no na kire se me kita British citizen no me kita EU krata na se me kita EU passport na ma betne mu ewo UK ha ma ye me pre-settled afi ma ye settled na me won hihye se metumi akwa citizen UK citizen a se mra na corona me free so no se egitum se metumi aye we be se na je se dual citizens ana ye ka no omogitum de a metumi afa UK de no aka me de no which of course a lot of people are here because of some country no accepted that dual citizenship no sisi ano eno na me pese me gina so na me mfa nkɔfa me busuani bi embra enti wa be cheche mo se me kɔfa me busuani bi aba me gina EU de no so anase me gina UK de no so. La Patrick oho no question no what mu di o na oho no me nim se nkrofo esa pencheche mani say question ba kwa beto enim not just say Say oh yeah, say ne ho kafo bi na okofa yenim say ye UK dia or so di emre bi so example say obedi 1860 so who yeah qualify for certain things. Now say oh you so ye you there now. Do you still have to qualify for those things? Now say you will use the two application. Now say two passport then you know to do the application. Patcho hono question na that minim na ma between say onte ase papa. Patcho betumi asa abo ho just a minute am I?
Right. So that's fine, Manye. So, Sani Mekai in the submission, no. Your withdrawal agreement, no. What it is done, ne say, it protect EU for ye to bata ediaba UK, no. It protect your right. Now, your rights ni be say, yet to me etu bata as EU nationals. Now, ya ba a host country because say na ye can a mansan enkabum ekuo no. Ɛno ne ma yɛn host nation. Na your right na ne yɛ wɔ no na ɛyɛ under the EU law. Nti UK for entimi ensi yɛn ho kwan because ɔmo ne pɛ ɛna ɔmo de ɔmo ɛkɔ share saa emra na se. Nti emra no so ma ho kwan sɛ wobetimi etu kwan afiri wan kasa wo krom akɔ EU nkronkro no biara so akɔtena hɔ abɔ wo bra. Sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wobetimi adi yie. Sɛ wokɔtena saa kro no so a nhyehyɛ mu no ɛsesɛ saa kro no ɛbɔ wo ho ban ɛma wo ho kwan ɛma wo tena hɔ na ɛma wo ho kwan so ma wabusuafoɔ etumi ɛbɛka wo ho ɛwɔ saa kro no so anase sɛ ɔmo wɔ hɔ a yɛtumi agyi ɔmo na ɔmo tena saa kro no so nti saa rights no ɛna ya protect saa rights no ɛwɔ withdrawal agreement no mu nti therefore sɛ woba na wabɛtena ha na wapempɛn so a abenya o permanent residence na afei wopɛ sɛ wobɛyɛ UK ni a adɛn nti na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛ exclude as EU citizen na yɛde UK mmara no ɛna yɛ adwuma. I don't think say it is right because sɛ woyɛ EU ni ansa na wobɛyɛ British ni nti no ɛsɛ sɛ EU mmara na yɛsɛ a protective na yɛde ahyɛ yɛ domestic law no mu even after say yɛ free ɛyɛ EU no ɛsɛ sɛ ɛkɔ so na ɛbɔ wo ho ban and that is my position sɛ ɛno nti no sɛ woyɛ wɔ application bi na ukuta EU passport ɛne British passport a so long as sɛ wowɔ kurom ha yɛagye watom woayɛ EU settlement scheme nti woyɛ relevant EA national na woyɛ wɔ application a baabi a memi tii deɛ I think sɛ your rights under the EU law no ɛyɛ protected. And because of that, you can take advantage of your EU citizenship to make that application. Manya.
Yo, Lea Patrick, yedasi. Wama nada hudin. Therefore, yemre ne ko questions amo maybe sa nina ama naso nanso no yebetumi ebie telephone lines no se na ebe ya won so yebenya emre na yetumi so de ayi quiz na so etumi bisa wo question into no telephone lines I did dwuma no 07 399208468. Saa nso na isan wɔ baako 0208 123 1016. Saa nso na wobɛtumi akɔ voice note ɛwɔ WhatsApp. So WhatsApp number no is just WhatsApp only. Mesrɛ wogya voice note wei wokɔ so a na woagya 0759662054. Mɛbɔ no fɛfɛɛfɛ ama lawyer ama no atie na wotumi ayi wɔ ano nti no mebie telephone lines na wobɛtumi aba so memfa nkyɛ akɛseɛ na menhwɛ questions kakra a aba board ne so yɛhu first one bi a yɛnnua baa bi ebisa yɛnnua bɛɛma ebisa about Michael Kwabna Sapɔ na mebisa na ansa na mebisa ne deɛ no mendi kan mbisa wei ansa lawyer or see a family of EU has an indefinite, but the partner no has indefinite to get mpacho ma menche chemze na watro no ebi we kakra ne opatra ne say ono maame no ewo indefinite to ewo UK ha na ne kunu na okofa na aba no ono ne kru na obe join in no mpacho fache me maami si ono wo EU settlement into wo indefinite na ne kru ebe kan ne ho no ne kru be kan ne ho no odi ka ji pre-settle no no so ji settle na ne kru akoye citizen sisi a into ono abe UK citizen na maami no eda so kita EU passport no na omo pese omo nkofa omo family embra enti no omo mu hwan na ewo se or yes application or mum join it and na send nipa back no so ye kofa omumba ewo Ghana e de abampacho say na the question in tiasenity ye can answer no first.
Okay, so Manya, that's a very clever question, and I believe that and Chechemui na ebia
Yes.
I resurrect this question.
Pepe.
And I hope that with this, we'll bring it closer to the dilemma. No? Now,
Thank you.
uknu ebe kan ho as a family member. Wo na uye EU ni na uknu be kan ho. Emra na uknu ede ne ho abehya ase no. Emu odin. But EU mra na wo hya ase no. Eye very flexible. Eye flexible out to ene ya ye kase. Enu nti na otimi nya kwan ekofa ye papa ede ne baaye no. So, se wakofa ye papa ba, ono ne pen wabeye British ni emfa wo ho. Na nei opese wakofa omaba. Uwo EU passport no. Echese utikrum ha. Media, me say obetumi ayusu EU passport no na odi akofa enkwala na ba. You don't need Omo Papa to say anything. Whether so you're British, whether so you're there. Because in him said, and then EU mrano, so we kofa wa busuafo aba. Enye ejuma ene ye de hwe. Ye hwe o residents. So at the time na oye application e de ama enkwala we no. Na wuti krom ha na. Wuti krom ha na wa ye EU settlement scheme na. Say answer na ye yes dia. Then ubetimi akofa enkwala no based on EU law no ye nhwe adwuma a wo ye nti ye papa no ne ho enhye da nhia sa ye maame nko a betimi ayusu ono no EU law no na odi akofa enkwala na ba.
Is baby calling from Ipswich? I don't know if you hear me.
Sorry, La Patrick. Yeah, hello. La Patrick, sorry. Na obi interfere with the calls, no. Na because of us, I don't think say no tina offer. Ain't Mr. Fachemi. Na.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Pacha, hold on. La Patrick, I think I missed some of the explanation, but enyeshi. Order for one home, so Pacha Okasa frame me and tonka.
Oh, I thought the problem is Dodge. And the Patrick doing the power. Because I feel back
Okay.
at the moment, yeah. Now, I'm the same good to be crack. Oh, but I plan on maybe Patrick one and
Okay.
one since I'm worried, I know the call 5 years, which was no, I saw one man, the money in Swaba. Now, they are going to go into Omba, or my name is in Tibet, between Ben, Lapra, and Grandma, or my own immediately. Delay idea, many I don't go, they are waiting, and some. My uncle,
Yeah, that's it.
now, you have to say, so 5 years, now, per se, yeah, Okofa, Unia, and so cars, baby, a fine agent after between a year and a number of that. Maybe I'll put one up for Lima.
Okay. Yo, Lawyer Patrick Pacho. I mean, you just say what's in the question, idiot.
Yes, my take question and mantini dini but yadana sepane adansia odi.
Mr. Ox.
All right, okay, great. Right. Anyway, thank you very much, Mr. Ochri. I hope that and Kolani Madam will be on here. Great. Yeah, that's a part. Now, Mr. Ochri, extended family members ekwan no ye see no back in December 2020 31st about 11 no and ye see sa kwan no. Now senkana opese wo take advantage of sa emrana na nka say before sa time yi any date na ma boss no na ya ye application no ama eye unuanom yi ni wo faasefo no ne omo makano ya na nka say ya ye application ne dada yenim say omo a ye sa application no before the deadline date no ema no bebre wo ho a home office for e refuse omo say because say free EU no they cannot benefit from the European Union law regulation 2016 omuntimi em benefit the ma ho kwan ema article 3 family members ebe kan ye ho no omuntimi em benefit so they refuse them omo nyina so no ya challenge home office for e the court majority of them yenya decision a ya grant omo ya grant omo a home office kire no ya grant o so there bi ya grant o kra no afei de time na nkese se o de application June deadline no eno so apa ho until you cannot benefit until eno so even though case na successful no ye mfa ma again ya challenge omo ama eno so no ye yefri ho e ma se o magye atum se ampa se obi ye extended family member now or ye an application before the deadline date na ese sa nipa kro no otumi benefit from emrana na ewo ho no de na omode wi nkofo no se uyobi a uni relevant document into wuntimi em benefit but ya challenge wo mo sisi a o matiase so now se uweni wa appeal as an extended family member ese se omo implemented decision no what they do no se ombe mawo family permit or de beba oba then you apply as a extended family member and then get your EU settlement scheme pre-settled now or the atena kroma. So yes, nanke kwan no ho, but I'm afraid at the moment sa kwan na si Mr. Ochre.
Yo, okay.
Once sir, Mr. Ochre. Mpacho be participate wo quiz ni mo ana.
Oh, yeah, na.
Yo, enye shi.
Attention so that you na.
Mpacho you. No problem. Yeah, that's it. Bye-bye. Sorry, order for one who must mpacho my antonka. O ka say friend.
Mpacho me ka freelance. Good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Me chamo te.
Yeah, Joso.
Mpacho, ele mo atene program na mo ye ma idea no. Yes, we follow mo. Shout out to BWF Solicitors. Mpacho, my question is a friend say okay, me buy as a visitor, almost that is 2012, and I'm a EU, and I'm in a warrior. Until you worry around 20, I've got more money in the class at 2017, and I worry 2018. But you won't call me Ghana, ma, and about 13, and about I think offer 12, 11 plus. Tinam Pete, mean copper or Mumbra. But it's in your EU settlement scheme. And it's in the conform but we're friends saying, me, bet me at the national money. Now, my conform about the EU. But I didn't make sure say about sole responsibilities are more common. Because almost still almost or family meetings can go beyond your receipt. Yeah, I'm call Ghana, so I'm a school, many teachers who in at home. But name say me perform more very easy. I'm under sole responsibility. Now the idea is your 1-bedroom apartment because now I'm in here in one.
Okay.
But I think I'm planning to me perform for an
Okay. Yes, it does.
Okay, Pacho, before I become a quick question. Pacho, you citizen ni no odaso eno no warrior na modaso wo ho.
Still that's all.
Okay, still no that's all. Okay, fine. Into no yes. Obetimi akofa nkwala na ba based on EU emrano because oyire EU ni mo form mo relationship no before the deadline date no. Into yes, o mano family members. Into based on the EU law no obetimi akofa nkwala na de aba. EU law ni so responsibility any asem. Yɛhwɛ nkwala no right. Enye UK asem ne de ka. Nti yɛhwɛ nkwala no sɛ ɔmo bɛka ɔmo papa ɔde no ho akɔbata ɛyɛ EU ni na ɔno so yagye na tum so ɔtena krom a. Enye wo na yɛhwɛ oyire na oyɛ EU ni no ɔno na yɛhwɛ no na yɛde bi ama nkwala no ma ɔmo so etimi aba.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, that's Papa. Obey quiz ni bi ama
Okay.
And Pacha, your friend was saying.
Your friend Masood.
Masood, my mentro again, Masood. Okay, Masood, me who nama no aha. Ona nama ended with 513 nana.
3. I know.
Okay, you into Masood. Oh, 1 minute, so home. To answer as much as you can. Question oh one, but say pass. Na young queen. Why? Okay, into your time starts now. Ghana has 16 regions now. How many were there before they were increased?
10.
How many constituencies are there in Ghana for the purpose of election?
275.
Who scored the first goal for Ghana in 2022 World Cup? How many players was each country allowed to send to the World Cup in Qatar 2026?
26.
Dear Lord. Who is the current football is allowed to change a goal apart from the referee?
Sorry, I couldn't get this question.
Who is the current football is allowed to change a goal apart from the referee? Next.
Pass. Yeah.
On what day is Ghana's Farmers' Day celebrated?
24th December.
Who is the absence of the president, the vice and speaker of parliament will be the head of state in Ghana?
Who is the absent? Member of parliament.
But now time no continue.
Member of parliament, yeah.
Not question, no. Sorry.
Okay, that's
sorry.
Fine.
Question, mommy.
All right.
Sorry. When your last question, no, nan can pese me de ma, but I think now my kind for the me mistake, so I accept the fact. So I'll just give you that question just under 30 seconds, okay? Who in the absence of the president? Now Miss Pes name who I thought say who is okay. So who in the absence of the president, the vice and the speaker of parliament will be the head of state in Ghana?
Yeah, Chief Justice.
Okay, into no, why are dear within the Masood, my foul number no, into no, obeti enka. Why? Dimensional. If you find me, more question back before I may find near war board nesonom. Patromin kind me question I war about a deep kind bar war platform nesono. See, good morning, my young lawyer Patrick. Please help me extend my gratitude to my kind no any question no. Or see, please can I invite or bring a family member to the UK if I have 2.5 years residence permit? Lawyer Patrick.
Yes, manye. So obi wahana or wasitna. Yes, obetimi ama obi abesra no. En hardwin kra. Nipa na oba no ono na yehwe. Enye wo na woti krom ha no. Nti nipa na oba no na sese otimi kire se oba or ye visitor obesan na chi akọ. Ono asudie no ne da no so. Nti sa na sese nipa no kire. Ba wa wote ha de yes, obebetimi abesra. Now, I think say you will know she be say oba UK. As a searching chinachin, obi etro invitation letter mount sebesra me. Not really. Yedim kofo bebra omo ankasa ye application omanya omo so me ba besra UK from different countries omo bato ha every single day. So, you don't need obi in the UK necessarily to give you an invitation to come to the UK. No, UK borders are open. Senebeya ye benya visitors na ɔmo abɛboa a contribute to yɛn revenue ni yɛn economy no ɛno nti na yɛayɛ nhyehyɛ ɛde ɛyɛ visitors visa no ɛde aba no because visitors visa no generate income ɛde ma yɛn sɛ wokɔ no yɛ refuse a usika no we don't refund it ɛka UK aban esika no ho ɛno na yɛde bɔ yɛn ho bra nti wabie saa akwanya no de ato hɔ baabi anu a waka sɛ ma obi invite wo na bra na emom no sɛ bi a wo obi wɔ ha na wopɛ sɛ ɔno na wo bɛtena ne nkyɛn nti ɔno invite wo that's fine but however sɛ wo ba not necessarily say ɔno invite wo anaasɛ wo ba no hɔ you can go and live in a hotel hostel or anywhere nti no yɛnhyɛ no nsosa ama nyɛ
yo lawyer Patrick yɛda ase na obi gyina so questions na ɛnɛ deɛ dɔɔso wɔ m'anim but obi gyina so mema no akwanya na sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a ɔbɛyɛ quiz ne bi nso a ne yɛ hu ɔdɔfoɔ wɔ ahoma so mpatwɛ wokasa frɛ ma mente wo nka.
Hello, good morning. My name is Kelvin.
Kelvin, you.
Yeah. For the
quiz na so.
And I'm going to kind of
But it's only question baby sir.
Me pattern the quiz na.
Okay. Why you what pa? Oh sir. Yeah, share my main yet ready na first one on na a bomb in so kakra. But your time starts now. What application did EU citizens have to make before 30th June?
EU pre-settlement scheme.
What is the minimum financial requirement for a family permit application?
18,600.
How many offices does BWF Solicitors have?
2. One in UK, one in Ghana.
What do I need to see a lawyer at BWF Solicitors on a weekend?
For consultation.
Name any 2 of the lawyers of BWF Solicitors.
Lawyer have asthma. Lawyer Richard Body.
Name 2 radio stations you can listen to BWF Solicitors program.
BWF Radio and Rainbow Radio.
Which of 3 countries make up the United Kingdom?
Wales, Scotland, and England.
Oh, time as so.
Thank you.
Why are
you give me the number? No.
Kevin, when you're 5 out of 7 questions, no. Why are they? Why? Me throw a number. No.
Exactly.
Okay, no man, me who I am patch for me quickly. Farmer Mrs. here because who the enemy who are.
Okay, 078. 76. 317.
317.
493.
493. Why are they 07676 317 493, right?
78.
Oh, 78.
The first one is 8.
8. Yo, yeah, that's it, Papa.
Right.
Yeah, that's
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, but I may pick out the Nasoka Krama, Namin Bisa me question back him. Lawyer Patrick, more question back or Hana. Question there, a hammy ye pa na mean to me yam why matza a nipping. Or say, on any chronic ye uni, and on no or coffee ni free Ghana, Eddie buy. Ye di come on 6 months as usual. Emma Afe or apply for ni BRP say BB also or your application. Be now emo ho na oba ye na em se ntokwasi ye. Ena obema no ekofa oba foforo. Eno de enye na asem o track am but enye na asem. But obema no nso beto say oni obi ewo dem nye say omudi nkomo keke but eno papa na fa ho abufuo nti no. We free fear ho na ofree fie ho no yesene no ni BRP ni nyoma a o say odi to me gina so no mfa nkoye adwuma no papa na age ne passport ese waje bibia ma maame atifie ho onim email ko a ye de ye document no enye ne telephone number na ye de ye document no enti oni hwe na watena sia 1 year no no a oni adwuma wayɛ destitute is ohun ne ɔnyɛ ne ho na obisa sɛ den na obetumi ayɛ a ne nsa bɛka ne bia na ɔmfa nkɔpɛ adwuma na ɔnyɛ ɛsiane sɛ papa no apo no ama sisi a ohun ne ɔnyɛ ne ho. Lawyer Patrick, ɛmmoa bi wɔ ma sama maame yi ana?
Okay, yes, manye. But I think that the best advice is so make an appointment, no a lawyer as soon as possible. For starters, no, it is wrong say ni kunu ebesizi ni documents. That's a form of domestic abuse to start with. But a solution na obetimi ede start bibia ono ankasa betumi ejina ne nan so. And I think that obia wakɔ saa situation no for a year na wontu ho anamon bia no unfortunately that's not very good enough. I know say bia or call issues mu into on yes but on taking steps as soon as possible and I can say na yem try say you be help no na nsa kan ne niema no whether say or no na dey din here whether so be na yema no it doesn't matter. The important thing is say obenya the right sort of advice and help na nsa etumi aka ne niema na nukunu na seize I don't know why Obi Beyesa, but it's unfortunate. But yes, on yes, I to me more. Yeah.
Yo, that's it. No, can't. Wama asofo nyina ko papa page or papa isi on teda. Enti na asem yo.
Asofo en camera asem. Asofo kan nyame asem. It is a bibi bar. Yes. Sofo betimi abompire ma. But when it's to do with the law, I think say it's best ubehu mrenimni. The yeken senka asofo no betimi aya 1 year ni nka omaye. But as you can appreciate no, we enye huhu asem eye mrasem. So let's deal with it with the law rather than spiritual because it doesn't help that way, I'm afraid. Sorry. Yeah.
Yo, Ella Patrick here does it. Patrick, I'm not just smiling and I say laughing because of a seminar. Well, we can say so for you now, Bimuna, lawyer Chichimuna, and I'm a honey, Miss. Oh, there be shall be any some one also is one shot. That's not professional. So I didn't but sanity. You other form patch up Bisawa seminar Nayanko.
Mania, good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Lawyer Patrick. Sorry, yeah.
Good morning,
Papa. Good morning.
Papa. Many questions, name I cry away. You.
Oh,
but my member would bow in a mammy intro. Why?
Mania, elect me.
Now cry, dear off now. Winning so no still up so winning more.
I think of one, Madia, you better add it.
Matty, ain't it Alex, yo, my main chassis here. Okay, hey, Alex, yo. Because me me feels a second week question say dear pa dear. Utie BWF Solicitors in kwa dear Eunice utimba akokra. Yo, ain't no. Yen chassis, Alex, time starts now. Which train lines take you directly to BWF Solicitors?
Victoria Line.
Who was the captain of the Ghana national team for the Qatar World Cup this year?
The day I know.
God save the Queen and God save the King.
God save the King.
What does GMT stand for when it comes to time?
Yanko.
What national team does Kylian Mbappe play for?
French national team.
Who is the captain of Portuguese national anthem?
Cristiano Ronaldo. National team, not national anthem.
Sorry. What is the name of the most common noise-making item in South African World Cup in 2010?
Yanko.
Which country prevented Ghana from reaching the semi-finals in 2010?
Uruguay.
Which African country until the quarterfinals of the Qatar World Cup had conceded the least goals?
Yanko.
Okay, we time so.
Oh, 5.
But time na about unko. I started plans and maybe a question now. And why are there, Alex? Why are there? We can see. We can see. Why are there? Only Masood na boom.
Masood in 5.
Onya 6 papa.
So okay, good.
Inti that's why.
Matimanye. Every
When
week
you
be a
break.
member, so the last time I'm free here 23rd.
Mate.
Bye
Yo,
bye.
bye. Asɛm o n'ani abere to saa na ɛyɛ sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wo nso wobɛba yo yɛnkɔ wei ne so na membisɛm sɛ mewɔ voice note baako mpatwɛ wo a waba so no gyina so ma me wae gyina so ma me na menhwɛ me voice note yi baako na ɛyɛ saa na yɛtwa gu ɔmo nyɛ bi. Okay, mpatwɔ ɛlodu nti no ma me second ɛlodu deɛ ma mentie wo question no mpatwɔ.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Patrick, good morning.
Okay. Mpacho your friend say. Oh. I didn't hear jump. I think lines near jump. Mpacho what that's also. Okay. No, first person na me pick no.
And also.
Yo, system no a crash kakra but my intim mpacho your friend saying. Bismarck. Bismarck. Mpacho uba for quiz now or question.
No question, and a quiz, Pacho.
Okay, nti bisa question na yanhwe.
Yo, let's for when you British passport through British and Warrior in the last month. Na many Samaya Basa, many process no this month. Na menya lady go Ghana me besenka me ko me divorce go from ko na me ko Ghana Christmas na me go that me kwa me di agu na ke bitananka later on my customer me ba na ke divorce go fra na ma pa ko e akoya application na me ba sa certificate da ko bi ate ko bi
question the we ka say atibi pen wa ha o Lawyer Patrick.
Also, obetimi aye den ansa na waba be divorce no.
Oh, Patrick say.
Yeah.
Or starting divorce application.
Yeah.
Because yeah, anyway, or namneso no nya British citizen. We nya ni British passport. Na neoma nko yi ntisi a o ton ato baby. Na fe na starting divorce application. Meanwhile no. Na nsɛm a ɔkɔtwa ne ho wɔ Ghana kakra wakɔhyia ɔbaa bi a December yi ɔsan akɔ na ɛgya ebia na wakɔ akɔhwee so akɔhu abusuafoɔ na nka ɔmo twitwa ntwamfoni ne ade na obisa sɛ afei na divorce ne go through obetumi ayɛ saa de ne sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a ɔbaa na kyerɛ sɛ divorce ne go through pɛ na ɔde application ato mpagya nyɛ saa na ɔkaeɛ. Asene be ya onsan enkopium enkoye sa evidence aware ni biom.
Okay. So what warrior untimi worry me, you know. That's the position of UK law. Inti shedon so sa. Now, se uja warrior ni na ubetimi aware oyire na wahunu no ochina anase ene ya. Se unya u divorce certificate no 12 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 o'clock, wait me yes, Kunyana worry or no be and see because you are not still married to that person. It's sanity. Now, the important point is as I say with me, say obey ya opeso worry, wahun the pain. Into winning. So only dada, then that's fine. Into winning muhundada. But they be a woko gane, wahuno. Oni ne mo tena se mu twetwa photos mo hie mu e bia busuafo not necessarily say o koye amane ni amamre bia da bi ubetimi aye sa acquaintanceship no with the busuano ne oba na nkasa wahunu no mo didi mu ho nkomo a establish sa relationship no a ebupi na se oba ekire na o divorce na go through now person worry na you don't really need to go back. So person will call now call worry now. That's fine. But so one person obey again, and your problem because your chromono you won't quite see to me worry under customary marriage. Into bet miyama ebusuafo ako bisa na say aware no e the amount. Wabra wan kasa wuni ho. And that will be accepted. Into the way ya o kotena se akotwitwa photos nde. Enye no na be kire bibi. Into yes okwa yes manyonkofa na e wo ho na ususu se enu nti wugina so de naba no ma ne nyɛ sɛ ne ɛteɛ na mu didi wɔ ha mu na mo kɔ ayie wɔ ha mu na mo kɔ party wɔ ha yɛfa ha mu na mu ni yɛsen ha mu na mu ni ɛno na yɛka ɛno na kyerɛ sɛ anyɔnkofa wɔ hɔ wobaa yi one ne kasa ɛwɔ WhatsApp so nti mu wɔ chat a ɛkyerɛ sɛ relationship no ɛyɛ biribi a ɛwɔ hɔnom ebi a woma ne kakrakra ebi koraa na ɔyɛ n'adwuma nti wontaa ma ne na ɔmu a woma ne biribi sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɔde bɛ support no ne nyinaa ɛboa na afei no wobɛdu wie na o divorce na go through a then wobɛtumi ayɛ application ama no ma ɔde abɛka wo ho.
Yo, Bismarck. My main start to time no na. Why you ready?
But I am on your hat.
Yo, Mate, and na me to me spicy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Which product is the most common foreign exchange earner for Ghana apart from gold?
What kind?
On what day
Cocoa.
On what day in Ghana is Farmers' Day celebrated?
1st December.
Who in the absence of the president, the vice, and the speaker of? What is the nickname of the English national football team?
The Lions.
Men to men farm out. There are 2 countries that have a lion as their symbol.
Wales and England.
What application did EU citizens have to make before 30?
E-settlement.
What is the minimum financial requirement for?
18,000.
What application did EU citizens have to? Sorry, maybe say no. How many offices does BWF Solicitors have?
1 in Ghana, 1 in UK.
What do I need to see a lawyer at BWF Solicitors on a weekend?
For immigration and public matters consultation weekend.
Name any 2 of the lawyers of BWF Solicitors.
Lawyer Patrick, Lawyer Asma, and Richard and Eunice.
For how many years has BWF Solicitors?
30 years.
Which part of North London can you find BWF Solicitors?
70.
Time is up. Time is up. Why are there? So Bismarck, sorry.
Nana Bob never say my just many years.
And Nana Bob, witcher, and then the witcher.
I wrote the lawyer right.
Nana Bob, Paja found a man, why?
The number is 074 59
33
67
24. Okay, Nana. Wait, 9. Why are dear? Pa? Yo. Okay, it's your mobile by M. Semreni Pra Asum. Nana Bob, I know I can't. Why? Yo, Lawyer Patrick. I send them why she. I can't just 2 minutes to go. Pamucho, Memfa course the answer. More hold on. Hey, I did not jump. Mr. Mum hold the course answer. Now me invite me lawyer Deborah. Now on best summarize it ready. I jump. Mr. Mo, Mamma friend, me per se lawyer ebe summarizing mommy. Oh God. Okay. Mr. Mo, Mimpiki compese lawyer Deborah ebe summarize ade no emame. I can't just a minute to go. Mr. Mo, minim se mo ho aye ha se mo betwa na nyame adoma otena community and the law no. You be dedicating most of the time no ama quiz no nti Mr. Mo ni dem why mo mfa ncheme. Yo, Pacho lawyer Deborah, let me invite you to come and then summarize today's program for the viewers and the listeners and in the English version before we come out with our last message and then the last call, please.
Good morning, viewers. I hope we all learned something today. So the topic was, can I apply for my family members to join me in the UK under EU law instead of the UK law if I am now a British and EU passport holder? So Lawyer Patrick went through it very well to us all. He mentioned how some countries, some EU countries, allow for dual nationality, for example, Spain. And he gave us the case of Tawfiq, which set the precedent. It was a case back in 2016-17, regarding a Spanish national who had left Spain to come to live in the UK. She met somebody by the name of Tofik, who then made an application for a residence card based on her. However, he was refused. And then this went to the European courts, which was a higher court, and it was said that she was still deemed to be an EU, so they could have used EU law to determine the decision. So we know that the withdrawal agreement protects those who are leaving the EU to come to a host country, for example, the UK. However, UK law, for example, Annex 1, which sets out the definitions, explicitly says that, or explicitly excludes someone who has an EU passport and a British passport. So if you have both, they're basically saying that you won't be able to rely on EU law. However, the withdrawal agreement, like I said, protects those of us who are EU, our rights. So this essentially allows us to still rely on EU law if we're making an application for a family member abroad to come and join us. So that's a brief summary. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Lawyer Deborah. Nam se baako gyina so, but mesre ne die mu yemre aso. Nti memfrɛ Lawyer Patrick biom na ɔma message kakra yɛde betu ya nemu ana yɛde betu yɛ pocket mu this week na yɛmfa nkɔ. Lawyer Patrick Patwadaroma.
Okay, great, Manye. Thank you so very much. And etiefo nyina so yɛda mo nyina mo ase. Mo mo ba quiz no so nyina no. Good luck to all of you. Hopefully next year mo be VM from Ghana. Na mama yehu sene eko. Mo so a mo ntimi an join because of time and intino ye pomacho ye bompa say next week. You benya more time. Na dodo na pese omo eba quiz no mo no ombetimi abe join. Yedamase se majibre atnase for over an hour or so. Any esua ade na yado emra no mu esuko. Monfa we emfa nantene emfa moye ho ban. Na yenhye no nso se EU mra na yede ye adwuma no. Ebo EU fo no ho ban. Eguso a eye adwuma. Se wo ba uye EU ni a ubetimi akofa wo ba na ba. Se wo stepchild uye EU ni a ubetimi akofa saa akwala no de na ba. Se wa form relationship ni before the deadline date emra no eguso ebo wo ho ban. Ubetimi akofa saa nkrofuru nyina ba. Se na wahia wo ho kani no ma ware under customary marriage enei na waye se wo ko register wa ware no wo ko register na ubetimi de wo ho kani no ene na busuafo ubetimi de wo maba. So yes, EU mra no e wa ha ene e betna for a long time to come. Nemum the UK aban aye ne se opese wo de ne ho epreko pe na oyi ne ho free EU supremacy ase. So ye ka say or the bill echo parliament since the 22nd of September sebeya the retained EU laws na ye hold on to ana emu bi ewo supremacy no ye be ye free ho na ye de abehye ye mra na se na afi no ye ne EU ato nkwanta apa na de aka nyina no ebeye treaties agreement bilateral agreement ye ne omo wo eno ene ye de ebeye adwuma nti ye nhye no so na ye ko weekend ye nhwe ya husu ye because we want to see all of you back here next week Friday. Now you have another discussion with UK. God bless you all and thank you so very much, Manye. God bless you. And the team, Professor Dai and Lady Deborah, thank you so very much. And the rest of the crew out there. Manye.
Yo, it's here for aha na edi adwumedie no bebe wie. Nyame nhyira obi bia ye di afi Nyankopon adom from January to December. Oda so tinkwem, oda so ahonde, oda so call, oda so ba. Edi mbiom na obeka se aseda nkwa ma otwede ampone obo ho ban na ono we free ho abedu sise bi nti ye mo bibia afihia pa na ye beka se adwumedie mo nhye ne nso quiz ne da so koso ochena nyame ya adom a the community and the law no ye bebo moden ade many be account na motumi be some questions na afi motuma involved in the quiz no na mwedi nkunim nyame nka obi bia omedi ane manyeti se weni agi edwumedi ayeye bo modi ane mia ne tiko na enko ba bia bi botokum ka se be ka share na se ne ye be sen hia nyame nka ye ho bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.